You've just downloaded a copy of Golf Swing Secrets that is going to help you consistently drive no less than 50 yards further right away. But if you're really serious about improving your game, then you're going to run into a few small problems, like learning the correct way to practice so you're not forming bad habits which will actually hurt your game, or figuring out what adjustments to make to instantly cure your hook or slice, or finding the right grip, stance, and balance ratio to help you maintain a consistent, powerful swing effortlessly. And unless you're a highly seasoned certified PGA Club pro, you might miss the few necessary steps in golf which are preventing you from playing the consistent and enjoyable rounds that you dream of. But what if there was an easier way to learn everything you need to know in order to walk onto any course at any time with anyone and play the best, most relaxing round of your life with total confidence, authority, and flair, without spending years of trial and error learning or thousands of dollars on coaching and training? And as I'm sure you know by now, there's a ton of misleading information floating around online that is waiting to mislead you into disaster. What if you could improve your game daily without spending hours practicing the wrong drills, wasting money on useless training equipment, or putting yourself through long and expensive training programs? What if you had a guide to show you step by step how to do it the right way while avoiding the typical pitfalls and failure points? Just imagine how you'll feel when you play an amazing round and shock your friends and colleagues as you dominate each hole. Introducing the Golf Hacks Newsletter. The Golf Hacks Newsletter is everything you need to develop easy-to-maintain habits that will improve your golf game on a daily basis. When you start implementing these small tips, drills, and rituals, you'll learn to play at your optimal level and get the most pleasure from the game of golf. Each month, you'll receive 5 to 6 actionable tips which will help you finally cut through the learning curve so you immediately start seeing improvements and maintain a consistent, accurate swing and short game dominance. Here's an example of the types of game-changing tips you'll get in the Golf Hacks Newsletter. The secrets to the perfect grip. 3 pre-shot things you have to remember. 6 stance and swing tips. The correct posture for a powerful swing. Bunker shot secrets. Mental golf training. What having your feet shoulder width really means. Why you're probably using your hybrid wrong. The 3 styles of golf. Critical backswing tips. The essentials of golf equipment. Weight training for golfers. Playing versus practice. How much is enough? How much is too much? Does fitness matter? Why knowing the unspoken rules of golf is important to your score. Senior golf swing tips. Essential putting techniques. And many, many more. And that's just a short list of the powerful tips you'll receive every month when you sign up. Golf Hacks Newsletter subscribers also receive special discounts and exclusive offers on golf equipment, training tools, and accessories. So save yourself time, save yourself money, but most importantly, save yourself from the pain of failure. Time to start focusing on long-term, consistent, easy, fun techniques. Start applying these powerful strategies today. Sign up now and get instant access to your first issue for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. You've got nothing to lose with our ironclad 30-day triple guarantee. If you don't love every single page of this golf newsletter made for frustrated golfers just like you, if it doesn't give you at least 5 no-nonsense, easy-to-implement tips which improve your golf game every month, and if you don't see lower scores and significant improvements in your overall game in less than 1 month, I'll gladly refund your entire last payment, and you keep every issue as my gift to you. That's the Golf Hacks Newsletter Triple Guarantee. So no matter what, you're fully protected. There's nothing to lose except frustration, and only lower scores and great golfing pleasure to gain. No other newsletter is able to make that guarantee because no other newsletter is able to help you as much as the Golf Hacks Newsletter can. This tried and tested information is not available anywhere else at this price. Your first issue will be instantly delivered to you via email, and you can start improving your game in less than 1 week from now. Say goodbye to the complex world of golf. It's time to be the best golfer you can be now. Click the button below to sign up now.